ang ganda at really quality game sa laban na ito.
Binigay kay Jimboy Estrada. Beichong providing the pick. Roca Corva for 3. Yes!
Again, those are the actions that those are.
Nakuha ni KG Canaleta. Takbo ang Binyana. Jimboy Estrada will finish.
The value of having a Pamboy Raimundo.
Makaraya. Duman siya dun sa area nila Coach Boy at saka si Coach Ginino Manansala. Mano. And, here's Jimboy, Pamboy, Raimundo. Back out to Jimboy Estrada. That's a 3. Yes! Coming off good. You know, Coach Boyet mentioned about the outside shooting. You already have 2 threes here, and none about jumping. On that post. Raimundo. Jumper from Pamboy is money. Raimundo, 3-pointer, and he knocks it down.
Na-report ni Sydney, talagang in-address nila ng maganda yan. This guy as well. 0 out of 8 from beyond the arc in their...
Paeng Are.
Top scored for QC in their last game. Kasi jump shot talaga eh.
For Binyan, mag-isa.
Yeah, to his left. Yeah,
that's
unstoppable there.
That's a good move.
Yeah, it's by the QC team.
Peña Redondo misses the 3, gets it back, will fire again. Yes! Ng konti, agawan sa bola. Poy Aktob strips, but a counter steal, and Tibayan scores.
Great pass there by Josan Nimes. In this match is, after the first quarter, both teams 12 rebounds, both teams 12 assists. It's just really the 3-pointer of Tatak.
So he's got the hot hand. They go to JR Alabanza, the extra pass. Jaymar Hempayan recovers and scores. Looking for a way through. Jaymar gives it up to JR Alabanza.
Rob Manalang, which is his natural position.
Poy Aktob for 3. And the crowd comes alive para kay Poy Aktob. The fire. Wala. Hempayan with another rebound. And JR Alabanza gets the 2 points. Looking for a teammate. James Mangahas.
Great ball movement.
Aktob for 3. Yes, sir! Aktob has it. Poy. Bumuelo. Poy Aktob. He is back. Poy Aktob, 10 points. Here in the second period, watch this fast break of the game brought to you by New Star. Win to the max. And Poy Aktob, when he elevates, it's just pretty difficult to stop.
Pinaka-decent kasi talaga dyan, Sedel. Dapat at least nasa 70K.
And Manala makes him pay. Nimes, Estrada, crossover. Pamboy has to fire, and that's good. No good. Roca Corva on the run. Roca Corva off the glass and in.
Favorite move, the Roca Corva.
Pamboy out to Roca Corva. Kenny. What a move. That's a Manu Ginobili special.
It's 2 defenders.
Ito yun eh. Sidestep. And the floater. Galing kay Kenny Roger Roca Corva. Lead is at...
Kung i-remember ko, doon na nagpumutok si Poy Aktob eh.
Actually, Peña Redondo had
2 back-to-back 3-pointers, diba? 6 points naman galing kay Peña Redondo.
Pamboy Raimundo knocks down the jumper.
Did Pamboy miss already?
Jimboy,
great pass.
Roca Corva for 3. That's short. Estrada with a rebound. And he gets it off the glass.
Oh, and that's good.
A pass. Pamboy Raimundo, Jimboy Estrada, pretty ball movement from Binyan, and look at Kenny Rocacorva go.
Resulting to a layup. Again, at some point, it magbe-breakdown na yan si Delphi.
Oh, what a stretch galing kay J.R. Alabanza, and
Oh, exactly. Parang when we covered that game in Bataan and
Tibayan. Back out to JP.
there you go. Again, QC still hasn't find a solution dito sa
Alabanza. Binigay kay Pido. JJ, the runner. Yes.
offense nila sa Delph ang medyo challenging.
That's a tough shot. Himpayan off the glass and in.
Oo, tapos yung kalaban ron 132-68. Etong third game naman natin. 7 minutes na, almost 7 minutes sa fourth quarter, 61-30.
The shots have not been falling for QC. Manalang against Ballesteros.
Former teammates.
Robbie knocks it down. Would celebrate kung mga ganyong galaw at shoot.
Oo.
Not Robbie though, still.
Yeah,
They're down 21. And they've shot 4 of 31 from beyond the arc, make that 5 of 32. And
pero okay, it was a decent shot already, but still to no avail.
Paeng Are. Oh, basket and one, Paeng.
At nakapatong na eh.
I thought he had a pass to Manalang dito sa corner.
No, and
Underneath of his new team Binyan and his longtime coach, Coach Boyd Fernandez. Now guys, your thoughts on Robbie Manalang with a possible championship in the future?
Beichiong
good pass.
runs into trouble and JJ Pido is there. .20 lead. Robbie Manalang for 3. Yes, sir. 8 points for Robbie Manalang on his fitness and get back into shape.
Oh, and I know he feels good about it. He feels good about himself.